Ease your feet off in the sea, my darling, it's a place to be. Take your shoes off, curl your toes. I will frame this moment in time. Troubles come and troubles go, the trouble that we used to know. But stay with us till we get old. But stay with us till somebody decides to go. Decides to go. Soberly, without regret, I make another sandwich and I fill my face. I know that things have got to you, but what can I do? Suddenly, without a warning, on a pale blue morning, you decide your time is wearing thin. A conscious choice to let yourself go dangling, hovering. It's an emergency. There's no more wait and see. What it is that you are going through, my boy. I left you dry, the sign was clear that you were not going anywhere. Anywhere. Save for a falling down. Save for a falling down. Anywhere. Anywhere. Save for a falling down. Everything's going on. Later on, as I walked home, the plow was showing under Ryan. I could see the house where you lived. I could see the house where you give all your time and sanity to people. Then you waited for the people to acknowledge you. They spoke in turn, but their eyes would pass